Statement of values, what all's included in that? My goodness, literally everything that you own that you insure on a property policy. It could be your building, it could be your furniture, fixtures, and equipment. It could be business income. It could be improvements and betterments if you rent a facility. At the end of the day, it's a lot of stuff. And it's really important that you know exactly how to classify all of these things, because God forbid you have a claim, you gotta make sure you have accurate records on file. This isn't about you getting charged more premium. This is about you paying the premium and ensuring what really needs to be insured. Unfortunately, so many times people who do what I do for a living are forced to come in and sell you a cheap policy because business owners are looking for premium savings. That's not the way it needs to be thought about. Total cost of risk is what you should be thinking about as a business owner, and insurance premiums only make up a small portion of that. One of the reasons why we talk about that is because one of the things in total cost of risk is retained losses. Retained losses can either be active or they can be passive. If it's active, it means you took a deductible or a self-insured retention on your policy. If it's passive, it just means you had a claim that wasn't covered. You don't want to find out that a claim wasn't covered when you have to shell out $80,000 that you weren't expecting to have to pay. At the end of the day, take the time. Look at all of the things that you have and then compare them to the statement of values template that we provide you right down below. All you have to do is click to request that. If you have questions as to whether or not something should be included or not, you're always welcome to reach out. My contact information is all over this site, and I'd love to be able to answer any questions you might have about what should be included in your statement of values.